Hey, good morning. Um, so it's like 7:17 in the morning. I've been sleeping all night and I woke up at like 5 because just a cough up a lung. Took my medicine again. But I look outside and something that's happened that hasn't happened in Colorado, not for real. All winter is look, it's actually snowing outside. It's no joke coming down. It's something else. So that means I'm not going out today because one, I don't want to get even more sick. And two, I'm not riding my bike in the snow. Maybe I might, but I might dress up really warm. But no, I'm not gonna do that. I might go driving it though, cause all-wheel drive, snow. Why not, right? Hello, people. Hello, hello. So yeah, um, oatmeal, tea, and Doctor Strange. And yes, that's my Roku and my laptop mouse that I always have with me when I'm editing because it connects to my phone. I need to stop being lazy and hop on the computer. I mean, I do, but I don't. But yeah, Doctor Strange breakfast. Why? I have a slight headache. I don't want to go outside with a slight headache, so I'm just gonna wait till the end of the movie till it kind of dissipates and such. And yeah, I used a big word. Hopefully, I use it the right way. All right, all right. So if you look around, I'm at the mall right now, but my buddy wasn't joking. Like, there's some beautiful trees to be taking pictures of with the snow on them, just covered in white. It's gorgeous out here. You guys can't see me because I'm holding the phone, but it is absolutely just beautiful. And if you can see, the snow is still falling. It's just amazing. I'm literally just in the middle of the parking lot, and I come across this little section here with like 3 or 4 trees just piled up on top of each other. It's just it's an amazing sight. I mean, all these trees are barren, most of them with no leaves or anything like that. But just to have all the branches covered in snow the way it is, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It's cold out here. I ain't gonna lie, it's freezing, but it is amazing. And that's Midnight Drive waiting for me to get back in. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick look at what I'm looking at here. The snow is coming at me. It's gorgeous. All right, I'm officially here. As you can see, we're at the mall. I'm in the parking lot. This thing is gorgeous. I'm parked by Hooters, but don't get it twisted. I'm only parked here because it's an easy landmark to find in the mall, and I know exactly where I'm parked, so I won't lose myself. Again, I'm that guy who typically can't find his car when he parks it. That's bad juju for me. So, yeah, at least here, Hooters is right here. I'm literally right down at the end of the parking lot. Done, too easy. So let's get inside, see if we can find my buddy and possibly grab a bite to eat. I don't know. I'm just, man, so many things to take pictures of covered in snow. It's absolutely amazing. I got people waiting for me to cross the street. So, all right, I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. All right, I'm back. So, apparently here in the Citadel Mall, they have something called a craft show, which what I'm seeing, it's basically people selling things that they make by hand. It's actually kind of amazing. Here's this right here. And I guess they make bracelets. So that's pretty awesome. Oh, I'm vlogging, sorry. I'm a vlogger. And over here, we've got these pants and shirts and whatnot. They look really pretty. Very, very nice. This gentleman, how you doing, boss? This guy's got candles.
Nah, it's soap.
Oh, soap, even better. Keep me clean.
Yeah, dude. Check
Wow.
out my grand opening.
Oh, you got a grand opening?
Yep.
Oh, check
Going
this
over on the
out.
west side.
Grand opening. Oh, okay. Awesome. I'm putting this in the vlog. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hello. And we got kids books over here. We got kids books. We've got makeup for the ladies, apparently. I don't wear makeup because, I'm a guy, more or less. Last time I checked. Ooh, henna tattoos. Hello. Wow. A lot of stuff. Look at this. Ooh, fashion. Look at all this. Fashion. Which I have none of. I'm not fashionable. I'm vlogging. I have no fashion whatsoever. That's why I wear joggers and a hoodie. Wow. Wow. Look at all this. Sensi, independent consultant. Good, how are you? Wow. What is Sensi? Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
So you put the different scents in here,
Yeah.
and then you have the warmers.
Oh, okay. Wow. Well, that's pretty cool.
And then they expanded themselves now to have stuff for kids that
Oh,
has different scents in there.
right,
To
right.
calm them down. So like these are for newborns.
Oh, okay.
And they have the older stuff for kids that are school age.
Wow. Okay. That's pretty cool.
Then
I'm sorry about, I'm a vlogger, so I vlog everything I see.
okay.
Yeah.
And then they have the laundry and kitchen.
Wow. That's awesome. Well, I'm putting you guys in the vlog. I appreciate it. Thank you. What do we got here? Oh. This is a day, I hate this day, because I'm always lonely on this day. This is a bad day for me.
That day? Oh, Valentine's Day?
Exactly. I'm a lonely guy. Single and lonely.
That's why you can always get yourself a gift. I have lots of friends to do that.
That's actually funny. I like that. Wow. Hello. Good. Andy's Geeky Creations. Okay, now I'm intrigued. What? You gotta tell me what this is. This is a camera. I'm vlogging. What is this?
Oh, these are some shrink pins that I painted. Yeah,
Wow.
so much fun.
Look at this. Wow. And this is Andy's Geeky Creations. You can find her on Facebook. Wow.
And you custom orders and all kinds of stuff.
This is awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good day.
This is not bad. I guess now we got to go to the, oh, look at this. Art Scholarship Contest, Colorado. Huh. Okay, let's take a look at all this. Wow. Look at all these pictures. This is beautiful. Look at all this art. Oh, that's kind of cool. Wow. Okay, this is cool but creepy. I think that's like a dog wolf thing. Oh yeah, there's me. This is oh, that must be some kind of version of Medusa. Wow, this is pretty cool. Look at the artistry. Wow, look at all this is handmade too. Wow. There's nobody in here to tell me about this stuff, but I like this. This is actually really cool. Well, this is the kind of thing I like to come look at. Art. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is amazing. Check this out. Check that out. That's beautiful. Man. Look at the pictures. Maybe one day I'll get that good. Here's another one that's pretty amazing. All this art is gorgeous. This is amazing. Please. Wow. Look at this photography. Look at that. Isn't that something? That's something. Look at this other picture right here. That is something. But this over here catches my eye. This piece right here. Let me get a good clear view of it. It's like an abstract piece. It's nothing but pen and ink apparently, but it's, look at the detail work on this, man. This is amazing. I mean, I can spend some time over here trying to pinpoint every little thing I see that's different, but it makes it all just meshes it all together in such a great way. Man, kids nowadays, creativity is where it's at. Look at that. Here roasted. So apparently the snow is coming down even more. It is. Well, it's not coming down more. It's just the flakes are thicker. You guys can definitely see it. She has the wrong hoodie on.
Come on, beauty queen.
She,
I don't. This is my uncle's clothing line, fool. I have the right hoodie on. It's called family support.
No, it's just like she has a pointy top right there. So low key, she looks like a. No, she just looks like an elf. But oh my gosh, look at this. This is freaking cool. And look at these trees. I am a dork and a half, but this stuff is gorgeous to me. Look at this. That's amazing. And this other tree right here, let me take you guys over yonder. Look at this tree. I don't know what it is about trees that are barren that really just catch my eye, especially when they're covered in snow. Do a little semi 360 here. This is amazing. Look at that. Mom, if you're listening, it is a tree that is completely barren. It is completely barren and it's nothing but branches, right? But it is covered in flakes of snow all over. Just so it's, imagine a tree completely brown, just as a tree is, but it's outlined like a drawing, outlined in white. And the white is the snow. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Bring the show. Tell me why the snow is coming down, I think, harder and thicker than it was before. Like, look at this craziness. Look at this. This is insanity. I'm like really getting snowed on over here. Look at this. Luckily for me, I'm wearing 2 pair of joggers because you know your man's gonna be freezing right now. But look at this craziness. This is freaking amazing. It's actually snowing here. And I'm pretty sure you can see the snow. It's insane. I don't know why I'm excited for this though. I've been complaining that there is no snow. I've been complaining that I don't want there to be no snow, and yet I'm excited. I am a walking, talking oxymoron, contradiction, yada yada yada. All right, let's get inside Maria's Taco Shop and get something to eat. Hey! Oh my God! Yo, anyway, as you can tell, I feel right about there, slightly better. Not well. I just make sure I take my pills and my medicine and my throat lozenges and my naps and a bunch of other things. And yeah. Yep. No. Yeah, so as you saw earlier, your mans, your boys, your dude was driving around in the snow. And I didn't really vlog any of it simply because I really honestly, let me see if it's still, yep, it is. It's not snowing, really, but it's it's sticking around. I didn't vlog any of it simply because I really wanted to see what my car could do in the snow. I've never owned an all-wheel drive vehicle, so I wanted to experiment. I wanted to go fast where I shouldn't be going fast, making turns wide, making turns sharp, you know, kind of experimenting, see what I can and cannot do with my car. Obviously, I'm being safe. All right, I'm being safe. But I just wanted to experience that. Again, I've never owned an all-wheel drive car. Being from Cali, my only experience has been rear wheel drive vehicles. So I wanted to experiment and figure out what is the big thing about all-wheel drive. I found it today. I drove north, I drove south, I drove east, I drove west. That was probably mixed up. Wait, never eat. Oh, west, east, never eat soggy waffles. But yeah, that's what I did. I wanted to drive around and, experiment. So that's what happened. That's what I did. And it was good. It was, it was kind of awesome. But I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I'm all caught up on the vlogs. If you guys have been watching, hopefully you have. Eh. Yeah, I'm all caught up on the vlogs. So, this will be the newest one you see. Yeah. Sorry about being behind. Just, not feeling great, under the weather, work stress equates to everything else, stress. So, yeah, anyway, I'm going to see about possibly going out. And not going out like going out to go party, but going out to maybe drive around somewhere. Just because. I mean, why the fudge not? Yeah, all right. Let's see what I do. Excuse me. Hey guys. All right, so as you can tell, I'm on my futon, shirt off, about to knock out yet again. Basically, I went out to go drive again, drive in the snow and such, but I guess the issue is it wasn't as fun for me because of the fact that it's starting to like be slush, so it's not as fun as like when the snow is initially like there and yada yada yada. So anyway, I'm just gonna call it for the night. That's the vlog. Thought of the evening. Haven't really thought this one out. Don't let being sick keep you completely down. Think about it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, take care of each other. More importantly, take care of yourself. Out of here.